The Union Cabinet, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved the One Nation, One Election Bill, a move which aimed at aligning elections for the Lok Sabha, state assemblies and local bodies. The decision is a step towards streamlining the electoral process and reducing the frequency and cost of elections in the country. The bill is expected to be introduced in Parliament during the ongoing winter session and will likely be referred to a Joint Parliamentary Committee (JPC) for further scrutiny. The initiative is based on recommendations from a high-level panel headed by former President Ramnath Kovind, which submitted its report in March of this year. The panel proposed simultaneous elections for the Lok Sabha and state assemblies as the first phase, with local body polls to be synchronized within 100 days. It also suggested adopting a two-phase polling system across the country. The One Nation, One Election initiative is expected to enhance governance by reducing the disruption caused by frequent elections. It is also seen as a cost-saving measure, potentially streamlining the electoral process while allowing governments to focus on policy implementation.